Are you ready to witness the dawn of a multiplanetary civilization? Get ready because the countdown has already begun. In just 2 years, SpaceX, under the vision of Elon Musk, is set to send the first starships to Mars. This isn't just any mission. It's the beginning of something much bigger. Imagine a future where humanity is no longer confined to Earth, but spread across planets. How will this change the future of our species? For years, Musk has shared his belief that for humanity to survive long term, we need to become an interplanetary species. And now SpaceX's Starship program is leading the charge to make that vision a reality. Starship is not just a rocket, it's the vehicle that will take humanity to Mars and beyond. It's incredibly powerful, standing 400 feet tall with nearly 17 million pounds of thrust. That makes it the most powerful launch vehicle ever created. But it's not just about raw power, it's about what comes next. In 2026, the first uncrewed Starship missions to Mars are planned. These aren't just test runs, they're crucial steps in proving that Starship can land safely on the Red Planet. If successful, we could see humans walking on Mars just 4 years after that. Think about it. In less than a decade, we could be watching the first Martian colonies begin to take shape. But why Mars? Why not the Moon or some other distant planet? The answer is simple. Mars is the closest thing we have to Earth in our solar system. It's not perfect, but with its history of Earth-like climate and its abundance of water ice, it's our best chance for creating a self-sustaining colony. And Musk isn't aiming for a small outpost. He's thinking big. A city, a thriving society where humans can live, work, and grow. Now, you might be wondering, how is this even possible? The answer lies in the design of Starship itself. It's fully reusable, unlike traditional rockets that are discarded after a single use. This is key to making space travel affordable and sustainable. Consider NASA's Artemis SLS rocket, which can only be used once. By contrast, Starship can land, refuel, and launch again. This reusability is what will bring down the cost of traveling to Mars. Right now, sending 1 ton of payload to Mars costs about $1 billion. Musk's goal is to slash that down to $100,000 per ton. Imagine that. Interplanetary travel becoming not just possible, but economically viable. Timing is everything, though. Mars and Earth only align properly for interplanetary missions every 26 months. That's why SpaceX is targeting 2026 for their first Mars-bound mission. It's a race against time to perfect Starship. So they're ready to make the most of these rare opportunities. Every second counts in this race, but SpaceX is known for pushing the limits. So far, SpaceX has completed 4 Starship test flights, each one improving upon the last. The next test flight is right around the corner, and it's shaping up to be the most exciting one yet. SpaceX will attempt something unprecedented, catching the massive super heavy booster using Mechazilla's chopstick arms. It sounds straight out of science fiction, but Musk has promised one thing: excitement is guaranteed. But Mars isn't just about exploration, it's about survival. Musk's vision is rooted in the belief that humanity's long-term survival depends on settling other planets. Right now, all of humanity's existence is confined to one small planet. If something catastrophic were to happen on Earth, we could lose everything. By establishing a self-sustaining colony on Mars, we increase our chances of survival. It's like a cosmic insurance policy for the human race. Now imagine 20 years into the future. If everything goes according to plan, Mars could be home to a thriving city. A city that, if necessary, could keep humanity going even if something happened to Earth. It's a bold vision, but one that's closer to reality than ever before. The advancements in space technology are accelerating at a pace we've never seen before, and with SpaceX's Starship, that future is rapidly approaching. So, What's next? Well, the first Starships will take off for Mars in just 2 years. If those missions succeed, we're entering a new era of human exploration. The flight rate will increase, and soon enough, making life multiplanetary won't just be a dream. It'll be happening right before our eyes. It's not a question of if, but when. We are standing on the edge of a new chapter in human history. This is more than just a space race. This is about the survival and expansion of human civilization. SpaceX is not only building rockets, they're building the future. The question is, will you be watching when the first Starship lifts off for Mars? Will you be there when the next giant leap for humanity begins? Don't forget to hit that like button, smash subscribe for more jaw-dropping space updates, and join us as we embark on a cosmic journey like never before.